Hey everyone, today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to turn on spatial audio on your Pixel Buds Pro 2. I'm going to be doing this on a Pixel phone, but if you have a different Android phone, like a Samsung or a Motorola, etc., the process is going to be slightly different, but I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. So let's dive right into it. Now first off, if you don't have it installed already, make sure the Pixel Buds app is installed on your phone, and you can download that for free from the App Store. We'll go ahead and open that up. Now on a Pixel phone, it's going to take me into my settings. I do need to make sure these are connected with my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure the buds are connected. So I'll just tap next to them on the sprocket and hit connect here, and they're going to connect up. And once they're connected, I can see the battery life, etc. And we can scroll through the settings here. And this is again going to look slightly different on different Android phones. We are looking for the sound option here. It says active noise control and EQ. We can tap on that. And under here, right at the top, you're going to see it says spatial audio. Audio from compatible media becomes more immersive. We can go ahead and hit that toggle switch there to turn it on. It also gives you a second option once that's turned on called head tracking. Audio changes as you move your head to sound more natural. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that one on as well. And now spatial audio and head tracking are turned on my Pixel Buds Pro 2. And really it's that simple to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, thanks for watching and take care.